How to use background sound on iPhone. So first what you want to do is just open up your settings. Once you're there, just scroll down right here till you see accessibility. Then just scroll down again till you see audio and visual. And here you will see background sounds. Just simply tap on that. And just simply tap on the switch button right here to turn it on. So this might be helpful if you want to focus, like if you're studying or you're working. This will be helpful since it will play a background sound to mask unwanted environmental noise. There'll be sounds that minimize distractions and help you to focus, calm, or rest. So as you can see, you can check on any of the sounds right here. You can able rain, ocean, dark noise, bright noise, bass, noise, and stream. There's a lot to choose from. You can also set the volume for it. And you can also use when media is playing. So if you're like scrolling, you can set this to rain or something, or you could open it up and use any of the sound right here. That's how I basically use background sound on iPhone.